This is DOOGEE T20, and today I will demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then open the network and internet category, then go for the internet section. In here, tap at the Wi-Fi network you would like to share the password of, and of course you will need to be connected to it in order to do that, so bear that in mind. So tap at the Wi-Fi network in question. Once at the network details page, go for the share option. And in here, we will be provided with the actual Wi-Fi network password right over there after the semicolon, and the QR code that you can just take whatever device you have and scan the QR code with it. And the aforementioned device, should it be another phone or tablet, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.